during this COVID pandemic situation, we have seen that a lot of students, especially in hospitality sector, are facing the issue that how to approach their career, because as we know that COVID has impacted hospitality industry majorly, and even there are a lot of issues when they look in terms of jobs. So there are certain questions which will definitely help them to decide how to approach their future. So my first question to you is that so where you hold a very key position in this college, and while you are in this key position, what do you think that keeps you connected and motivated to be in this position and approach towards this sector?
No, this is pandemic. First of all, I would like to thank you, Ashish, to you and College
Yes.
Dunia for having me here to talk to you. So now I come to your question that this pandemic has really affected the hospitality industry the worst, and the tourism as well. But I think this industry will be the first one to come back, because now the people have started traveling, because we still have to wait for overseas travel to come.
Yeah.
But the domestic travel has started and people have started coming out. So we have to focus on the domestic travel and domestic activities.
Okay.
And I think this will help our industry, both hospitality and tourism, to come up with this pandemic situation. I think next 6 months time, we will overcome, and I think there will be a way forward for the student. Let me tell you about when we talk about the IHM Bhopal, we had 100% placement, but about 40% of the people, they have not kept their commitment. The commitment have been deferred to January, and the student would be joining in the month of January. And those students, their commitment have not been deferred, not maintained. So for them, we are asking them to explore other opportunities like retail, banks.
Yeah.
So I think they all have been got offers, and they will be joining retail and banks.
Great. So something is there for the students. So this is a great initiative from your side, sir. So I hope when I've seen that many of the students are preferring foreign colleges rather than colleges in India. So what's your thoughts on that? That the students who are approaching for foreign universities rather than best universities and colleges in India, which are central institutions. So what's your thoughts on those students who are looking forward to go abroad for their studies rather than India?
Ashish, it is a very interesting question, because we have a lot of population of the student population, and I would say we are the young nation. So there are a number of people are opting to go abroad, but the kind of education and exposure we have in India, you never get that experience outside, especially to realize the skill set in India is much better than abroad. Yes, abroad you learn the management tricks abroad better, because you get better exposure there, and the clientele is very different. So only difference is the clientele. Otherwise the environment, and our students get fit in everywhere in the globe. Anybody who has worked in India, so they are tuned to work anywhere in the globe.
So even my thinking is that anyone who's learning anything in India would definitely be the right fit for India, and then definitely they can reach to abroad. So what is the curriculum right now? The colleges.
Present curriculum right from beginning, the hospitality curriculum is 50% the practical and 50% in theory.
Yeah.
So we have done a lot of innovation in the curriculum. We are adding the critical thinking, analytical thinking into it, and a lot of artificial intelligence is also being added, because the technology is replacing our the physical teaching. So technology and innovation are taking place, and the curriculum has been tuned to that trend in the industry, and we are reviving our curriculum on day-to-day basis. Day-to-day basis, when I say every semester we sit together and do the brainstorming, sitting with the industry, and we try to upgrade the curriculum in accordance to the industry need. So we are preparing students ready for the industry.
Even in this pandemic.
In this pandemic situation.
Yeah. So that's great that they are not losing anything even after the pandemic. So being in central institution, you don't have a competition in terms of any of the private sector. But so, what do you think that apart from being a central institute and being from last 25 years in Bhopal, what makes IHM Bhopal different from other colleges which are in Bhopal or Madhya Pradesh?
I tell you, because this IHM Bhopal has a legacy. The first thing that we believe in overall development of our student. When I say the overall development, as far as the professionalism, soft skill, communication, and overall personality, being a good human being for the society. So we believe in professionalism and good human being in the society. So that is our focus, and that is how we are different than other institutions, because they are only preparing for a profession. They are not preparing a student to be a good human being. So we believe that we are preparing good human being, and like if you see our vision and mission, we don't want to be the best institution in the country, but we want to be the most admired institution of the world. So for that we are working towards it. We have our own core values.
Yeah.
So we believe what we say, we preach those values. So which makes difference IHM Bhopal from other institutes.
Definitely, sir. It's good to be a person for 24 hours rather than a 9 to 5 job. It's good, sir. So, the next question is that what do you think? What are the roles and responsibilities of the students towards the college?
When the student comes with a dream, so they are coming because when they come to the institute, they are raw. So our responsibility as an institution or our responsibility as a teacher to shape the student for a profession. So we shape them, we develop their thought process, critical thinking, and develop them for the future profession of hospitality and tourism. So it is a gradual process. So when they go to the practical labs, they learn certain tricks, because this industry is very disciplined industry. So discipline is very important, and time. We teach time and discipline and communication. Combining all three things, you come up with a good personality, and it creates a way forward to you to be a good human being and good professional for the industry.
Great, sir. Because I think that is very important for any students who have just coming to the industry to develop himself in 3 years. I have seen the change in me, so that is very good. I have personally faced this and very happy with this. So what do you think that IHM Bhopal would look like after 10 years?
If you see now, it's a technological era. So we all have to equip ourselves and our student to the technology. And artificial intelligence is taking place, technology is taking place, virtual session is going to be a reality in next 10 years. And the whole system in the industry are changing, especially after this COVID-19. The whole technology is taking place. So we need to equip our student with the technology, and we have to prepare our faculty, the technology savvy, so that they can impart that knowledge which is required for the future to our students.
Definitely, technology is the new coming era of the future, and definitely the student has to indulge the same. So my next question is that what would you like to know, make people know about IHM Bhopal which they don't know already?
I must tell you that Bhopal is a very reputed institute, and this institute has been a very old institute. So our backbone is our alumni.
Yeah.
So our alumni is in a position to help the institute. And if you talk progress of any institute, I think the alumni plays a very, very important role in developing the institute. Not only developing the institute, but they also help us in placing the student in the industry. And another thing that I have told you that we have a core values. So the core values makes a difference in a student personality and overall development. So that really makes a difference. And that because we do it silently, because we don't do any advertising for this.
Mm-hmm.
So this makes our student different and IHM Bhopal different than other institutions.
So I think the students already carries a brand name with himself whenever he just pass out of this college. So my next question is, anything you would like to suggest to the current youth or aspiring youth who is looking forward to go in the hospitality sector?
My message to the youth is they have to remain in confidence, because this pandemic time is not going to be remain. So it will go away, and we have to remain confident, and we must look into the opportunity this pandemic situation. We need to upgrade our skill, because now the time is multi-skilling. Now the time is innovation. So we need to innovate during this pandemic time, upgrade our skill, and look for the future. I think 6 months down the line, there will be a great opportunities coming on the way, and I think it's a sky the limit.
Definitely, they can indulge many of the new activities and skills, which will definitely help them.
Importantly, they all have to now go for a multi-skilling. Multi-skilling is the key word.
Yeah.
So they need to improve their skill what they have now, and they will have to prepare themselves for the multi-skilling, which is very, very important.
So acquiring new skills would be definitely a suggestion. So, what do you think? What's your plan for the students who are currently targeting to join IHM Bhopal after this?
This year we have already completed the admission process. We already have filled all our seats,
Great.
and we have started the classes on virtual mode. As per the government guidelines, whenever we get the guidelines to open the institute physical terms, then we will open. We hope to open the institute somewhere in November end or maybe the December beginning. So presently the classes are being conducted online for the new batch also, and we are upgrading the technology in the institute.
Great, sir. So my last question is that how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship between a student and a teacher with the college and university?
What I believe, it's a team effort, and students are the important stakeholders.
Okay.
So if you have the communication with the students, so that is the bridge to develop themselves, and that is the bridge to communicate between. There will be no gap between students and the faculty fraternity.
Yeah.
So as a leader of the institute, what I believe is to empower my faculty, to empower my student. So that is the way forward.
That's a very great initiative that even they can help them in the education system as well as in the life also, that how can they overcome their fears and everything. So that's it from my side. So thanks for your time which you have given. I think this is very beneficial for every student who is on college and looking forward their career in hospitality or any other industry, that how can they go forward and what are their doubts. So I think that they can be cleared with this interview.
Thank you, Ashish, and thank you, College Dunia, for having me on your hotel for this talk. And I think the hospitality students have a bright future, because we have a lot of opportunities coming in, not only in the hospitality and tourism, in allied areas. And we have a lot of entrepreneurial opportunities coming on the way. So I think it is the time to be an entrepreneur in hospitality and tourism.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, College Dunia.
Thanks.